How to enable two-step authentication on Twitter X account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the X app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on your settings and privacy, tap on security and account access, then tap on security. Here you can find the two-factor authentication option. Tap on that. Now here you can find three different authentication methods. The first one is text message. If you try to toggle this on, it's going to say that this is only available to the premium subscribers. So if you are not a premium user, you want to select a different authentication method. For that, you want to head back. Now the method that I recommend is authentication app. Toggle this option on. Now you will have to enter your password. Tap on confirm. Now you will have to enter your email address. Tap on get started. Now enter your email address, then tap on send code. Now you will have to enter the verification code that you have received on your email, then tap on confirm. Once your email address has been added, tap on continue setup, then tap on get started. Now tap on link app, but before that, make sure you have a compatible authentication app installed on your device. Once you have linked the app, you will have to enter the OTP code once, and after that, you're also going to receive a backup code. Then your two-factor authentication will be enabled, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.